Good afternoon. Welcome to Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great barbecue recipe for you, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. So let's light the fire and let's get going. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this nice T-bone steak that I'm going to hit with a little bit of Pam, black pepper, and Lawrys seasoning, and just have the good classic taste. And we're going to cook it today with the Weber using the slow and sear, and we're going to reverse sear it. We're going to cook it off to the side away from the heat till we reach about 140 degrees. Then once we do that, we're going to get it on the coals, get some nice color, some char marks, some grill marks, and get some good flavor. Let it rest, and then we're going to start eating. So here we are adding the seasoning and getting this steak nice and seasoned for our grilling. Everyone, don't forget to hit your sides of your meat, sides of your steaks, your brisket, your chicken, everything. Make sure you cover every side of your meat with good seasoning, good pepper, good salt, or your favorite rub. Our steak is seasoned and it's ready for the grill. Family, in the comments below, let me know what is your favorite cut of steak. And here we are, family. We have the steak on the Weber Kettle using the slow and sear accessory, Indirect, on the opposite side of the coal. I have a thermometer inside the meat. I'm going to get this meat up to 140 degrees internal, and then I'm going to get it over the coals to get some nice grill marks and some grill color. And what's the old saying in grilling? If you're looking, you're not cooking. I'm about to put the lid on and shut her down. Here we are. It took about an hour. I'm hitting at 140 degrees internal. We're about to open it up and get this lid open and get this steak on the coals. Man, it's beautiful. It smells good. Get the steak over the coal and get some nice grill marks and some nice color. Here we are. I like to grill the sides first, and then once I grill the sides, I start with the steak, and then I get them on the hot coal, then I get some nice color, then I turn it on a 45 degree and get my grill marks nice in color. Then I do this on both sides. This whole time I'm here, you got to stay pretty close to it. You cannot go on the inside and do other things because you will burn your steak. Anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds, take a peek, 10 to 20 seconds, take a peek, and just rotate your steak. Technically, the steak is done now, but now we're just getting that good color, that good char marks, and that good flavor. Here's that money shot. Wow, look at the color. Look at that, man. That's beautiful. Now we do the same thing for the other side. Once the other side is complete, we let this rest in the house until about 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Here we are. The steak is inside, already been resting, and all I'm going to do is cut this bone out and then slice these fillets on a nice angle and serve and eat.
Jardiance may cause serious side effects, including ketoacidosis that may be fatal, dehydration that can lead to sudden worsening of kidney function, and genital yeast or urinary tract infections. A rare life-threatening bacterial infection in the skin of the perineum could occur. Stop taking Jardiance and call your doctor right away if you have symptoms of this infection, ketoacidosis, or an allergic reaction. And don't take it if you're on dialysis. Taking Jardiance with a sulfonylurea or insulin may cause low blood sugar.
You want healthy ingredients. Your cat is all about the flavor. Tastefuls has it all.
I need it to be healthy, but if it doesn't taste good, she's not going to eat it. I've unfortunately had to sacrifice quality. She's walking to it.
Family, I was going for medium rare, and I think I got it. In the comments below, let me know if I hit medium rare with this color, texture, and this pinkness. Family, thank you guys for watching these videos. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for commenting. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.